guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be recreating a Selena Gomez makeup look from her Lose You to Love Me music video. I'm starting off by spraying down some soap using my spoolie and then brushing that into my brows for a little bit of a direction and fullness. Now I'm going in with my Benefit Brow Pomade in shade 6, and I'm just flicking up with an angled brush to kind of create thicker strokes in areas where my eyebrows are patchier. It is easier to do a natural brow when you have more brow hair. So I am going back in with my ColourPop Boss Brow Pencil in brunette. In with my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in medium, and I'm just very slightly shaping the tail end of my brow. Before I apply my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Urban Decay Primer Potion. Now I'm going back over with my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, and I'm just applying that over top the primer potion. Using my Morphe translucent powder, I'm just lightly going over my lid now to set all the wet. Double entendre, I don't know how to say it. I'm gonna first go into Draft, and I'm going to put that in my upper crease and outer corner. I'm moving into the shade Hard, putting that deeper into my crease and fanning it out into my outer corner as well. Going into Nip Slip, I am just blending out very lightly the perimeter of my eye look. Next, going into Keep It PG and using a small detailing brush, I am accentuating the lash line, deepening it a little bit more in the outer corner so that I can smoke it out a little bit. Next, I'm going into the shade Locked and Loaded. It's like a light peachy toned bone color that has a little bit of shimmer to it, so it's perfect to pack on the lid for this look. So for lashes, I am actually just using Ardell Wispy Lashes. I looked at her makeup and I think they look so similar to Ardell Wispy Lashes. They're very natural, so I just stuck with something that I would normally use if I was trying to do a natural look. I'm using NYX Doll Eye Mascara to seal my eyelashes in with my falsies. I actually like this mascara specifically for lengthening my lower lashes. This is such a perfect mascara for that. Warming up my NYX Jumbo Melt Pencil on the back of my hand, I'm taking a brush and filling in my waterline. Using my Revlon Color Stay eyeliner in black brown, I am just deepening my lash line a little bit more. For moisturizer, I'm using my Sephora All Day Hydrator. For primer, I'm using Touch in Soul No Pore Blem priming water. I'm kind of just dripping it on my face and then massaging it in until it's tacky. To correct some red spots that I have on my face, I'm going in with this LA Girl Green Corrector Concealer. In order to brighten up my under eye or any dark spots that I have, I'm using this Urban Decay Skin Color Correcting Fluid in Peach. Foundation, I actually chose my It Cosmetics Full Coverage Moisturizing Foundation in medium because I am a huge fan of this foundation. It's really light and moisturizing and natural looking, but still provides coverage, so I decided to use this in this tutorial. I'm going back in with my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer and going over spots that are still coming through just so I can get that flawless complexion. To brighten up my under eye area and onto my cheeks even more, I'm using the Juvia's Place Concealer in 19. Contour, I'm sticking with my old reliable Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and I am using the shade Fawn to hollow out my cheekbones, shorten my forehead a bit, and crisp up my jawline. Still using the same contour shade Fawn, I'm going around my lips now to kind of make them appear fuller. Going right into the skin between the eyebrows and above the nose, I am blending Fawn to create a wider appearance. So for blush, I mixed Luxme Nilotica Goddess Glow Illuminator with Milk Makeup Blush Stick and Werk. For highlighter, I used the Jolie Cosmetics Spectra Stick and Stella and just placed that on the highest points of my face. Into my powder Anastasia contour kit, I'm using Banana and just lightly brushing over areas of my face where I still want to add some brightness. Next, I'm just going into the shimmery shade in this palette and then going over those high points of my face again. This is just going to give me a really subtle natural highlight. Lips, I'm using MAC Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Soar, and I'm just kind of outlining my lips in a similar shape to Selena. I'm using a Jeffree Star liquid lip in the shade Mannequin, and I just put a little bit on the center of my bottom lip, and I'm using my brush to kind of blend it out into my lip liner. This is like one of my favorite clips of this makeup tutorial. I don't know why, this is so satisfying to me. This color is so pretty. Idea to use your foundation and an angled brush and clean up around your lips that way. Last step is to use my Pearlescence Coconut and Rose Makeup Setting Spray. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Feel free to comment some more celebrity makeup tutorial inspo. I think I'm going to do a celebrity series here on this channel, so I'd love to hear who everybody would like to see, or if there's a look anybody really wants to know how to do. I could try it out. Alright, well thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.